Welcome to Vinturo. Today, we bring you a deep look into a vehicle that is shaping the future of electric mobility with its balance of design, technology, and innovation. This is the Rivian R2 2026, a compact electric SUV built for people who want adventure, practicality, and next-generation performance in a single package. Rivian has always stood out for its unique identity in the EV market, blending rugged personality with futuristic engineering, and the R2 takes that vision further. As you watch this visual story, let's take you through every detail, every feature, and every experience this car promises to deliver. The Rivian R2 2026 is designed with a philosophy that a vehicle should not only take you from one place to another but also enhance the journey itself. The moment you look at the exterior, the first thing that stands out is the iconic Rivian oval headlights, glowing with a signature identity that you cannot mistake for anything else. The glossy metallic silver body reflects light like a polished mirror, giving the entire car a premium yet adventurous appearance. Its proportions feel compact but muscular, giving you the confidence of an SUV without overwhelming size. The lines are clean, the edges are sculpted, and the stance is low enough to feel sporty yet high enough to feel ready for any terrain. As the showroom lights glide across the panels, the play of shadows and reflections highlights the precision of Rivian's craftsmanship. From the front grille area to the sculpted hood, everything feels engineered with intention. The aerodynamic shaping reduces drag, improves range, and gives the R2 a futuristic appeal. The side mirrors are sleek, the wheel arch is bold, and the alloy wheels carry a unique Rivian identity that blends utility with elegance. Each close-up shot reveals the detail that Rivian puts into its design language. From the texture of the headlights to the patterns on the taillights, everything feels purposeful. Moving to the rear, the full-width LED light bar runs smoothly from one end to the other, giving the R2 a visual signature even from a distance. The minimalistic design speaks for itself. No unnecessary cuts, no loud styling, just pure electric personality with subtle aggression. Whether you're looking at it from a low angle or a top-down perspective, the car maintains a presence that feels stable, confident, and modern. Now let's step inside and explore the interior, where Rivian truly focuses on user experience. The cabin is designed to feel like a blend of comfort, technology, and practicality. The moment you open the door, the premium materials stand out. The seats are supportive yet soft, the stitching is refined, and the textures feel crafted rather than manufactured. Rivian uses a mix of sustainable materials, keeping the interior eco-friendly without compromising the luxury feel. The dashboard carries a clean layout with a large central display floating in the middle, giving you access to the entire ecosystem of Rivian software, from navigation to performance settings and from climate control to infotainment. The user interface is smooth, responsive, and intuitive, designed to minimize distraction while maximizing engagement. The instrument cluster behind the steering wheel gives you essential driving information, presented in a clean digital format. The steering wheel itself feels premium, with a soft touch material and a modern design that sits comfortably in your hands. The close-up detailing around the buttons, the stitching around the grip, and the subtle design lines show how carefully Rivian pays attention to every touchpoint. As the camera moves further inside, you can see the center console, spacious, practical, and filled with intelligent storage solutions. The wireless charging pad, cup holders, and small compartments make everyday usability effortless. The cabin lighting is soft and ambient, giving the interior a relaxing glow during nighttime drives. The large windows make the cabin feel open and airy, while the panoramic glass roof adds an adventurous feeling, letting natural light pour in during the day and giving you a clear view of the sky at night. In terms of performance, the Rivian R2 2026 is built on Rivian's next-generation platform, offering impressive acceleration, all-wheel drive capability, and advanced battery technology. Whether you're driving through city streets or exploring off-road paths, the R2 adapts seamlessly. The suspension system balances comfort and stability, absorbing bumps effortlessly while keeping the ride smooth. The electric motors deliver instant torque, giving the R2 quick acceleration without any noise or vibration. And with Rivian's focus on safety, the car is equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, and autonomous driving features that assist you on the road and help prevent hazards. Inside the showroom, as each angle reveals another part of this vehicle, you can feel that the R2 is not just a car but a complete experience. It's designed for everyday life, school runs, long drives, shopping trips, and weekend adventures. It's compact enough for city use but spacious enough for families. The rear seats fold for extra cargo, and the front trunk adds even more storage, a benefit only electric cars can truly maximize. Rivian R2 2026 represents the next chapter of electric SUVs, a vehicle that is smart, stylish, powerful, efficient, and sustainable. A vehicle created for people who want freedom without compromise. As you watch the close-ups of the stitching, the smoothness of the metallic silver paint, the shine of the headlights, and the precision of every interior detail, you can sense the craftsmanship and commitment behind it. This is what the future of compact electric adventure looks like. A future where technology becomes natural, design becomes simple, and driving becomes enjoyable again. This is the Rivian R2 2026.